Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce Search Text. Create a Visualforce page with search box where we can search for the text entered in the search box, in which we can look up accounts name field. All the records with the type name should display. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, and to create the Apex class and Visualforce page, we need to click on Setup Gear icon, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab. So to create the Apex class, click on File, New, Apex class. Here I am creating the class by the name Visualforce Search Text. Click OK. So in this class we are taking accounts, list of account, set, get, and a string of search text, set get value, and a string of query. And in the search method we are querying name, phone, industry, rating from account, where name like operator we are using slash in single quotes mod, then plus search text, this string we are passing, and respectively closing. Accounts equals to database dot query, and here we are passing this query. So let's create the Visualforce page. File, new, Visualforce page. So I am creating the Visualforce page by the same name, Visualforce Search Text. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page we are passing Visualforce Search Text, this class, by using controller, and under that Apex form, Apex input text value, search text, Apex command button value, search, and action we are passing search, this method. Render 1 and breaking the line, Apex page block ID 1, Apex page block table value accounts, and creating the variable A, and accounts dot name, phone, industry, rating, closing the Apex page block table respectively, page block, form, and page. Click preview. So we are seeing the text box, search button. If simply we are clicking on search button without providing any text here, so it is displaying all the values. If all we need this value only, so in the search box we need to provide this value Jenny point. Click on search. Now it will display only this value, and if we have some more values related to this, we are able to see that one also. So like this we are performing this kind of task. Thank you.